Hello guys, it's been a while mula nung gumawa ako ng Get Ready With Me. If you've noticed, nung mga nakaraan, medyo nawala ako. Nag-apply na ako nito guys ng T-Shell Niacinamide Brightening Serum, sunscreen, Invisible Shield ng Vice Cosmetics. So, the truth is, I've been dealing with depression again. For my brows, I'm using ABCD. Depression doesn't always look the way people imagine. Colorette Brow Dream Duo Trench. Tevian Complexion Perfector. One of my biggest symptoms, hindi sadness eh. It was actually losing motivation. Alam mo yung parang wala na talaga akong kagana-gana. Parang kahit gaano ka-importante yung kailangan kong gawin, hindi ko talaga maumpisahan. Hindi lang talaga gumagana yung utak ko. Alam niyo yun? Maybelline Matte Max Cushion. Isa pa grabe yung fatigue. Alam niyo yung kakagising ko pa lang, pero gusto ko na matulog ulit. Pero actually, that's something a lot of people with depression experience. Blendy Puff yung gamit ko pala guys ha. Kulang pa yung treatment ko. Akala ko kasi malakas na ako eh. Kaya ko na eh. Until nagising na lang ako na isang araw, parang teka, parang iba na naman to ah. Concealer, Lucky Beauty. Ito yung pang under eye area. Ang shade ko dito ay Cashmere. Another thing I learned, depression isn't just emotional. May mga physical symptoms din siya. It can affect your concentration, your memory, your appetite. Colorette Second Base in Siargao naman para sa mga blemishes. JMCY Setting Spray bago ako mag-powder. So, yun nga, dami kong tanong sa sarili ko, bakit ako ganito? Marami naman akong blessings. Kompleto yung pamilya ko. Meron akong trabaho. So, bakit hindi ako maging masaya? Okay, mag-set na tayo. I will use Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Powder Rush in Shortbread. Velvet Puff yung ginagamit ko. Perfect na pang set. Popic All Over Multi-Use Cream Palette in Tropic Tan. Bronzer. Ito, mimix ko yung dalawa together. At may sinabi sa akin yung aking psychiatrist. Depression isn't simply the absence of gratitude. Hindi ibig sabihin na ungrateful ka. Hindi ibig sabihin na kulang ka sa faith. Mental illness can happen even when your life looks okay from the outside. Nose contour yung gagamitin ko. This is Strokes Face Sculpt in Peanut. Vice Cosmetics Do It All on the Daily. Aura Mochimo Soft Bouncy Blush. Butterscotch. If you know someone who has depression, please lang, don't tell them. Mag-isip ka lang ng positive. Oo nga, pero marami kang blessings. Girl, choice maging masaya. Sometimes, what people need most is someone who listens without trying to fix everything. Eyeliner tayo. JMCY Gel Eyeliner. Konting tungkil lang. Taking medication does not make you weak. It means you're taking care of your health. Lashes ko, Maybelline Caneles. Mascara sa aking lower lashes, iba yung nilalagay ko. Heroin Make. Detail Cosmetics. Lip Trace in the shade Fawn. Colorette na Velvet Tint Bare Blossom. Ganda nito. Highlighter pala, di pa ako naglagay sa nose. Ito pa rin guys, favorite ko, Colorette. Snowflake Color Bounce Setting Spray. If you're struggling, again, don't be afraid to ask for help kasi okay lang yan. And we'll get through this together. Bye!